you wish to blow up your finances in 2025, this video is your action game plan to make that happen. I'm sharing the 7 steps I have personally used and watch others use to transform their finances, hit big money goals, and build lasting wealth. And I'm not just talking about vague ideas or manifestation. These are actionable steps anyone can take. No matter where you're starting from growing your income to setting goals to investing smartly, we are covering it all. 2025 is your year to stop pushing and start winning with your finances. This investment banker will see to that. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered broker, licensed dealer in the Nigerian market. And my mission this year is to press your neck and hold you accountable to smashing all your financial goals. Because my darling, whether you like it or not, so far you are a member of this finance community, 2025 will definitely be your best money year ever. If you're here to join us, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right away. Welcome to the family. Let's dive into the big money. Step 1. Read a book on finance. This will light a fire within. Let me tell you, I remember back then when I read this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. I don't know, there is this fire inside. You start thinking, your head is blowing up. What business am I going to start? What investment am I going to explore? Right? It keeps you into that consciousness. You get ideas that spur you to action. So this year, step 1, you are definitely reading a finance book. I have a couple of recommendations. These books are books that would help you blow up your money game. Yes, Rich Dad Poor Dad. We have the Smart Money Woman. There is Think and Grow Rich. There is Richest Man in Babylon. And please add Atomic Habits to that list. This one is not even just for finance. Atomic Habits will just supercharge all your goals for the year. Personally, there are books that every single year, beginning of the year, I read them. You see, Atomic Habits is number 1, and Think and Grow Rich as much as I can. I try to read it because that book, it will get your head burning into taking action. What do I need to do? What business do I need to go into? Right? This is what these books will do for you. So yeah, please make sure you read a finance book. Step 2, define what your financial goal is. Please be specific. It could be having an X amount in your investment portfolio. Like you can decide that, okay, for this year, I want to have 50 million in my investment account by the end of the year. You can decide that, okay, I want to have like 10,000 worth of so company shares. I want to have 10,000 worth of Facebook shares, 100,000 worth of MTN shares. These are specific goals, and they're measurable. You see, you are deciding to place them, let's say, by the end of the year, by December 2025. For some people, their goal is to earn more income. Some people might want to, like, okay, this year I'm 5 times my salary. Some will say they want to double or triple their 2024 FinTribe savings, or even start an emergency fund. Having a specific goal makes it clear for you, right? So for most of you now, maybe your own could even to start an investment portfolio. I feel like some of you are watching this video, you don't have any investment. No problem, you are at the right place. This video is not going to really dive into investing because on this channel we have so many videos on how you can start investing as a beginner. Whether you want to buy shares of companies both in Nigeria and abroad, or you want to invest in government offers, there are so many videos that would guide you on that. I'm going to link them in the description. This particular video are about other steps, of course investing included, that is going to blow up your finances. So yeah, 1, we are reading a book on finance. 2, we are setting a specific goal. Let's continue because it will take us to number 3. Strategize on how to actualize this goal. This is the main thing. It's not by sitting down, new year, new resolution. I want to lose weight. I want to have 6 packs. What are you doing to make it happen? So now you say that you want like maybe $5,000 in your stock portfolio. How do we make it happen? So let's say you're a FinTribe member, you save with FinTribe. By the way, FinTribe is a women-only finance platform where we save and invest together. Listen, if you're a woman really serious about like knowing that this year is going to be your best year, you want to smash your financial goal, you should join FinTribe. Trust me. Last year, this woman did over 2 billion naira in savings. And you know what? Membership is totally free. Okay, I'm going to leave the link on the description to join FinTribe. So let's say you decide that, okay, this year you want like 5 million in your FinTribe savings. Maybe last year you did 2 million. So the thing now is that how much do you need to save every month to make this happen? Now we are strategizing to make that goal happen, right? You want to itemize what and what do you need to do. In fact, let me even use a practical example. So for me, for instance, this year I want to like prioritize some of my social media platforms, starting with TikTok. I think I started my TikTok channel, was it, I think last month or something. I've not really been active. My main platform is Instagram. Some of you know me for Instagram, right? I really want to like go into TikTok. Right now, I think I have like 3,000 followers. Please go to TikTok and look for Financial Jennifer because it's going to get hot there. So now I have set a goal that by the end of the year, I want 50,000 subscribers, or what do you, okay, I think followers, right? 50,000 followers on TikTok. Okay, I'm going to get a game plan. How do I get to 50,000 as a number one, content, right? I want to itemize the kind of content I want to be posting. Now I'm getting a social media manager, someone that is going to help, because aside from content, there is also an engagement plan there. When you post, there's going to be engaging, and is that someone I can collaborate with, someone that is already doing well on TikTok? So I have a full list of what I am going to do to make that go to happen. So in your own case, what is it going to be? Okay, you want to grow your salary. What do you need to do? Is there a project you can start at work? Is there something you can volunteer for? Is there a course? Is there a certification you need to take? You need a game plan. You need to sit down and start writing. You need a beautiful thing. Right now, you might not know what to do to make it happen, but once you start thinking intentionally about it, ideas will start coming. And there is something about setting like audacious goal. Like I'm saying, this year is my year of audacity. See me now, that is just starting on TikTok. I don't even know if I have up to 10,000 followers. I'm setting 50,000. It's big eye goal. But having a big eye goal now will make me, the strategies I will come up. It's not strategies for someone that wants 10,000. It's strategies for someone that wants 50,000. So the bigger the goal, the more your mind is open to come up with ideas that could make it happen. That is step number 3. Think of ideas on how to make that happen. Step 4, this could even be the most important because it's going to help you with the other step. Invest in you. This is the highest investment you can make. Who do you need to become to be that person that is worthy of achieving that your goals? Okay, now let's say you want to have like 50 million by the end of the year. How do you make that happen? It could be, okay, let's say you want to do that by maybe increasing your income or your salary. Remember what we said before. Part of this now is invest in yourself. Do you need to go and take a certification? What do you need to do? You have to acquire, are there new skills you need to acquire to make it come to pass? Here is one trick I will give you. Dedicate an hour every single day to learning. Preferably, you can decide to like every morning, like 1 hour, you can wake up earlier than you normally do to take that 1 hour into learning. This can be reading books. This can be signing up and taking courses. This can even be watching YouTube videos. In fact, let's do something. If you've not liked this video, can you like it? Drop a comment and you can just say, 25 is my best year, 25 is my year. You know what it's going to do? You are going to start training YouTube to start giving you content like this, content that will blow up your finances, content that will open your mind. So when you watch my videos or maybe other finance related channel and your goal is to blow up your money game, right? Just engage with those videos, because this way you start seeing these things, and trust me, when you start seeing the same information over and over, something is going to change in your brain. So if you've not liked this video, of course I really want you to like the video because it's going to help the channel, and it even tells me that we are not wasting our time here, and also for your own self. So hit that like button. Step 5, this one is even for myself. Be intentional with your network. When they say your network is your net worth, my dear, they were not kidding. Who do you want in your circle? This is no longer the time we freestyle. Now we want to be very intentional. Make a list. Yes, write their names out. I want this person. Maybe for them to even know you, or maybe for them to be your friends, maybe for them to just be in your wide contact. It doesn't mean that you have to become bestie with them. No, you want to get in their face. Let them know of your existence if they don't. Or maybe it's even just an acquaintance that you want closer now. Make a list. How do you get their attention? Is it by sliding into their DM, or by sending a thoughtful gift, or just connecting with them on social media, following them, commenting on their posts? Or is it offering to help them with something, patronizing them? Do they have programs? Do they have products? Are they a business person? Patronizing them. These are ways you could get these people in. My dear, we have to be intentional this year. This year we need to be intentional. Step 6, ego keja chuego. AKA, you use money to make money. Are you willing to invest resources to make more? How much are you ready to invest to market that your program, to sell that your product? Is it by engaging influencers, doing sponsored ad for your business? You need to use money to make money. This time, posting and prayers alone is no longer enough. Are you ready to pave way to access? You know, there are some access that you don't get unless you spend money. Let's say there is one big person you really want their attention, and you are not really sure how to make that happen. I have seen people go to lodge to high-end hotels because someone they know is coming to that hotel, or maybe pay for the person's program. There are people that their programs are in thousands. I've seen people pay for such programs. Not that they are interested in what is being taught in that program. They just want access to that person. 2025, you need a money-making budget. Money you will set aside to pave way for you. It can even be on give. But most importantly, listen, if you're a business person, please, don't just leave your business to chance. You need to market. It baffles me when you ask some business owners, how much are you going to spend to market your product? They don't even care about that one. They just post, or they just open shop and go and relax. Let me give you, for example, I have a workshop coming up Have you signed up for that workshop? This is our 2025 Money Year workshop. It's only 8,500. In that workshop, we come together to strategize. How are we going to win this year? What are the best investments for 2025? And the most important part, I'm going to show you a way to create passive income that will pay. It's only 8,500. If you've not joined, just go to the description or to the pinned comment. That workshop, on my own, I know I could get people, thousands of people to sign up. But do you know how much I budget to market that program? Be it on sponsored ads, be it on paying influencers, even gifts, because in that workshop, we are going to give a lot of free shares to people. People are going to be winning shares in Zenith. People are going to be winning shares in MTN. Some have already won, no, but we'll keep doing more. I have items, like I bought electronics, I bought fan, I bought electric kettles. These are gift items to be won. We say, wait, oh, for a workshop that is only 8,500 naira. Yes, less than $7 or thereabout. And I'm spending this much. My dear, I be able girl. You use money to make money. So please, this year, we are having a budget to grow our hustle. Step 7, decide on additional income source. Everyone needs multiple streams of income. Just get clear on how best to do this. So this year, it's no longer the regular, right? How do you want to make more money? Do you want to start a side business? Do you want to monetize a skill you have? Do you want to create a digital product? And that is exactly why I made this digital product thing a part of our workshop, because I've told the story of where one ebook I had like since how many years ago. I'm still making money from it till today. So what I'm going to do, I wanted to like show you how to do these things. At the workshop, I will share my screen. Let's create an ebook together. Even if you don't have any idea what to write about, you don't have an audience, no problem. You will watch me from scratch. How I'm going to design it, the tools, apps you need to do this. I will show you all these things, because trust me, this year we are making more money. We are no longer relying on our existing income source. We want to add more. So you definitely want to join that workshop. So ask yourself, how do I make more money? In fact, go on Google and type how to make more money, side hustle ideas. What am I even saying? I have a playlist on this channel that I think I need business ideas or passive income ideas. Go and watch it. You get ideas. You will definitely see something that you can pick that would make you money this year. So as simple as they sound, these 7 steps, trust me, even if it's only half of it you do, but if you can just execute these 7 and see if this year is not going to be your best money year ever. I have a video where I share the top highest business ideas you can start for this year, businesses that people are looking for. I'm going to leave it on the description. I'm going to connect it here. Click on that video and watch it now. My dear, this year, no darling.